Hey there, cocktail enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the world of mixology. Ready to master the art of the Classic Mojito in just 3 minutes? This refreshing Cuban cocktail is a favorite for a reason. And today, I'm going to show you how to make it perfectly every single time. Let's dive right in. Whether you're a seasoned bartender or a home mixologist, this recipe is simple, yet incredibly satisfying. First up, let's go over what you'll need. 1.5 ounces of white rum, which is the heart of our mojito. The quality of the rum can make a big difference, so choose wisely. 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice, freshly squeezed for that vibrant citrus kick. It's the zesty foundation of our drink. 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, which balances the tartness of the lime with a touch of sweetness. You can easily make this at home by dissolving sugar in water. 6 to 8 fresh mint leaves, the soul of the mojito. Fresh mint is essential for that refreshing aroma and flavor. And some club soda. Oh, and don't forget the crushed ice. Crushed ice is key to achieving the perfect texture and dilution. All right, let's get started. Grab a sturdy glass and squeeze or pour in your 3/4 ounce of lime juice. This is the zesty foundation of your mojito. Make sure to get every last drop of that fresh lime juice. Next, we're adding 1/2 ounce of simple syrup for that perfect hint of sweetness. This will balance out the tartness of the lime juice. Now for the magic touch mint leaves. Toss in 6 to 8 fresh mint leaves. The more aromatic, the better. Here's a pro tip. Give them a little slap between your hands before adding them in. It releases more of that refreshing minty aroma. This simple step can elevate your mojito to the next level. Time to muddle. Using a muddler or the back of a spoon, gently crush the mint leaves in the glass along with the lime juice and simple syrup. This is where the real flavor magic happens. Be gentle to avoid tearing the leaves too much. You want to extract the oils without tearing the leaves too much. This ensures a smooth and flavorful drink without any bitterness. Now fill your glass halfway with crushed ice. This not only chills the drink, but also controls the dilution. Crushed ice is perfect for a mojito because it melts at just the right rate. Pour in 1.5 ounces of white rum, the star of the show. The rum brings all the flavors together and adds that essential kick. Give it a good stir to mix everything together. This ensures that all the ingredients are well combined and the flavors are evenly distributed. Top off your glass with more crushed ice until it's nice and full. This keeps your drink cold and refreshing. Finally, add a splash of club soda to give it that delightful fizz. Stir gently to combine. The club soda adds a light, bubbly finish that makes the mojito so refreshing. For the finishing touch, garnish with a sprig of fresh mint. This not only looks beautiful, but also adds an extra burst of aroma. And there you have it, a perfectly crafted classic mojito. It's a drink that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Sip and savor the perfect balance of sweet, citrus, and minty freshness. Each sip should be a delightful mix of all these flavors. Whether you're cooling down on a hot day, celebrating a special moment, or just enjoying a relaxing evening, this mojito is your go-to drink. It's versatile and always a crowd pleaser. Thanks for joining me on this cocktail journey. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make the perfect classic mojito. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Your support helps us bring you more great content. Cheers to you and your perfect mojito. Enjoy responsibly. Remember, the best cocktails are enjoyed in good company. Until next time, keep mixing and keep smiling. Stay tuned for more cocktail recipes and tips.